This multi-body subject-specific institute, or ITMO, entitled Genetics, Genomics and Bioinformatics, combines fundamental disciplines: genetics, involving all life forms; genomics, studying the genomes of living organisms on a large scale; and bioinformatics, or computational biology, which is absolutely necessary for high-level genome analysis. This ITMO coordinates the studies on all living organisms, from viruses, microorganisms, plants, lower and higher eukaryotes, to man. All these developments are necessary to understand how the organisms have evolved, to find out more about living matter, to be useful to biotechnologies and to human health. The Institute basically has means made available by INSERM and the CNRS, which receive backing for the alliance from the Ministry. And this support mainly enables us to coordinate meetings between scientists from different research bodies, to organize subject-based schools like the one last year on epigenetics, to study the way genes are expressed, which is a fast-growing field at the moment, so we bring all these communities into contact, so they meet and talk. We help organize congresses to bring communities together, sometimes at international level. One of the important challenges we face with the arrival of new methods, like what is called second-generation sequencing, which are much faster and give a lot more information than earlier methods, is that it's urgent to develop bioinformatics. Data storage and analysis methods to cope with all this information. As we become increasingly capable of acquiring data at a much faster rate than before, it's crucial, if we're to stay in the competition, to be able to process it, because more and more large-scale studies are being done and we're being inundated with data, which it's vital to be able to sort out, understand and store. Another development in this ITMO is a more recent discipline known as metagenomics, where organisms are sequenced that up to now have been unculturable in the laboratory. This too yields even more data that urgently needs to be taken into account.